Guys, Pression here with another video. Today we'll talk about how to install iPadOS or iOS or watchOS or tvOS. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, macOS. So today we're going to teach you how to install all those apps without using a computer. Now, obviously I need to show you the beta profile or else you guys start to say, are you sure about that? There you go, the profile. iOS 14 iPadOS beta profile. This is the developer beta. Yeah, I gotta teach you how to install it. At first, you have to go to a link. I'll put the link in the description how to go properly. Go to notes. No, I mean not go to notes. Go to my this is my notes. If you do want to go to the link, you can just memorize here. betaprofile.com. Click it. Click it, and you can see download Apple Beta software, and you can see this download iOS 14 beta. Here you go. iPadOS beta profile. So just install it, and that's it. And then you're good to go. If you want to download the older iOS 13, there is. If you want to install it, or you want the beta one, here it is. Just now when I installed, they actually combine two together, so the profile is the same. But I think they separate because they know that. But even you click download and click down and download, it literally just ends up iOS and iPadOS together. So it's fine. I'm with that. So that's it. And you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.